برحلتكم. خدمتكم مرة أخرى في المستقبل. الكوتشينو ليوناردو دافنشي International Airport, where the local time is 7:20 in the morning and the temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. Please keep your
just landed in the Kochi airport here in Italy.
Good morning, everyone. This is Olivia's Adventure. We just landed in Da Vinci International Airport here in Rome, Italy.
We are going to ride the bus. We are outside, we're going to ride the bus. Kaya yun 15 minutes, dapat 30. Asan na si Ate Lily? Ayun, nandun sa malayo.
We are on the bus on our way to our airport in Termini. Near Termini, our airport is near Termini. So I think it's a 1 hour or 45 minutes ride from the airport to Termini station. Yeah. So from Termini station, we're just going to walk to our airport. Yun lang kung mahanap namin yun. Ay, to our hotel pala. Airport pa sinabi ko. Yun lang kung madali namin mahanap.
Ciao supermarket na. Ito ay. Noon pumunta tayo, wala naman pupunta dito. Oo, nasa gitna ito. Oh, picture na tayo. We're here at Santa Maria Maggiore and we have our time is 2 p.m. It's just okay. We're try going inside and look at the Okay, let's go in. It's very hot now because it's summer here. We just arrived this morning around 7:30 a.m. here in Rome. The three of us. Yan, tatlo lang kami. Mainit. Parang Pinas. We're going to Holy Door. Nambe presa anja.
Santa Maria Maggiore here in Rome is one of the 4 papal basilicas in Rome and the largest of the Marian churches dedicated to the Virgin Mary in the city, founded in 432 CE. The basilica houses what is believed to be the relic of the manger in which the infant Jesus was laid in Bethlehem, as well as the Marian icon Salus Populi Romani. And this is where Pope Francis was buried. This is his And this is our lunch. First lunch in Italy. Today is July 22 and the weather is so hot, 34 degrees here in Rome.